right on the bench. I have a Kraco KCB 4030. So this is the 40 channel AM only radio. It is Cybernet based. These are actually really good radios. I own one. I actually own one. Mine's right there. But so this came to me from Tom over in Pennsylvania. He had sent me a couple of Uniden Pro 520 XLs, as well as this. This one has, what seems to me anyway, has sentimental value to him. This particular Kraco was in his classic car since 1977. So he wants this thing repaired at any cost, no matter what it takes. Get it done. So, and I can appreciate that. I understand having that sentimental value. So fortunately though, this radio, it's not going to need anything crazy. It does have issues. It does transmit, does receive. It's a bit off frequency. Does need to be recapped. Does need to be aligned, obviously. Needs a switch. So somebody had bypassed the on-off switch and put this toggle on the bottom, and that was popping through right there on the bottom side. And if you're not familiar with the Kraco, see this particular this one as well as the 23 channel, the jack is on the bottom side of the radio, which could be a good thing, could be a bad thing. I guess it depends on how you mount this. If you're going to be mounting this thing under a dash, it's actually a pretty good location. But if you're actually mounting this to the floor, probably not the best location. So yeah, depending on how you mount this thing, you might either love that location or you might hate it. So, but yeah, so there was that. Oh yeah, the rear power jack is cracked. So I got one over there. I'll be putting in as a switch as well. That's going in there. And then he had asked me to make the cases black. So this originally came wrapped in this duct tape. I'm assuming because he didn't like the wood grain. Maybe it doesn't match the interior of his car. I don't know. But he had asked me to wrap this or turn it black somehow, whether it was painting or wrapping. So I'm going to do a black carbon fiber wrap. Pretty typical. And then the last issue was the mic here. This 4-pin plug is cracked, and it's bending. And pretty soon, a couple of more, times, and this thing's going to just crack right off. So get a new end on that. That's basically it. Change out all these to LEDs. You got the meter light. There's a channel indicator light, and then the I believe that's the TX and RX light. So yeah, I got 4 LEDs to change out, and that's basically it. Yeah, so fortunately, it's not going to really cost anything like super crazy to fix this thing. So. Yeah, let me get to this. So the first thing I'm gonna end up doing is changing out that switch. I'm gonna also finish taking off this microphone jack, so that way the wrap can go underneath that rather than cutting around that. Get all this stuff cleaned up, polished, as well as fortunately the knobs here don't look too bad, so it should be pretty straightforward as far as cosmetics go. Yeah, that's basically it. Recapping these radios, they're pretty as simple as it gets. Probably one of the easier radios to do. So yeah, that's basically it. So let me get to this. Let me get that switch changed out first, recap it, align it, and then we'll take it from there. And then once that's done, I'll go ahead and wrap this and that carbon fiber. We're going to see a huge difference here in the looks. All right, stand by. All right, well, it's just about done. It's a little washed out, but it's not as bad as the camera makes it seems, that right there. But we got the LEDs all around, so that way it'll last a lot longer than the incandescent. Polish this up as good as I could get it. It's not perfect, but it's definitely better than what it was. So here here's the caps. Not a lot of them, but the volume and the on and off switch has been changed out. Switch has been removed. Also, the rear jack is replaced. So we have a nice radio. It's aligned. It's tuned. Yeah, just ready to go. I got the carbon fiber wrap on it, and this thing is looking way better, and it's performing really, really well. So yeah, that's really about it for the radio. So now I guess the only thing left to do is now put it together, and we can do our normal tests, and yeah, take it from there. All right, let me get this radio back together. Stand by. All right, it's all back together. Looking good, I think. Sounding good as well. Got a new plug on the on your microphone here. It's up a little higher to make up for that plug that sticks down. But let's go through our tests. So we got it's TX right on 4. Yeah, this Kraco's got it kind of a little bit weird. That 4 I think should be matched up with that with the green and the red meat, but that's how they have it. Number 4 watts are down there. All right, see how it looks. It's a nice looking waveform. Yeah, right around 12, right where it should be. Alright, it's on frequency. We're on channel 19. Alright, it's perfect. Alright, so now let's do our receive test. And yeah, we'll go around and do our monitor radio test and see what's going on out on air. Alright, stand by. Alright, we're on channel 19. We got an S9. Alright, minus 70. Alright, let's see. I got the speaker plugged in. I do. Alright, let's see what it's doing for sensitivity. That's right around 12 there. So what do we got? Minus 110 to minus 114. That's a really good listening radio. Yeah, that's a really good listening radio. It's where these cybernets really shine, is on receive. This particular chassis. So yeah, you got a good solid listening radio, and you got a pretty good modulating radio. So what else can we do other than we'll do our typical monitor radio test and see if we got some skip coming. All right, stand by. All right, let's see how this thing sounds. We're on channel 18. 19's a little busy, so let's see what's going on here. Check 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 audio. Checking out this Kraco KCB 4030. This is the 40 channel version, not to be confused with the 23 channel version. And this thing is sounding good, looking good, I think. Yeah, we got a really nice sounding radio, nice and clean. Yeah, we got a nice clean radio right here. I think the customer's going to be happy with this radio, the way it sounds. We got this thing recapped, aligned. We got a nice carbon fiber wrap around it. Get rid of that ugly wood grain look. It's going back in his 1977 classic car. Actually, I don't know what car it is. He didn't specify, but either way, he's got a good radio. Alright guys, well that's about it. Let me put this on the antenna, and we can actually hopefully get some skip. I think there's a lot of skip going on, so alright, stand by. Alright, let's see what's going on. Not much.
Down here to South Mississippi on the Gulf of Mexico. 517. Standing by.
Actually, starting to come back. Must be warming up his amp. That's lower sideband.
He likes your hair.
Sorry, my hand keeps getting in the way.
Man,
320 Boston, Massachusetts, waving. 320 Boston, Massachusetts. Anybody got a copy on 320 Boston, Mass? Good luck, right? Alright guys, I'm going to end it here. But that's it for this this radio. It's good to go. Ready to be put back into that classic car. Alright guys, thanks for watching.